don't know.
Oh, gipicturean ako. Sige pa, be, isa pa. Smile. Uy, di ba maklaro ang mata? O, sige, smile.
Smile.
Cute
Who's
kayo
that? Who's
mag-iro.
that?
Asa man tong brown?
Who's that?
Can I speak to you? Hello, Coma. How are you?
How are you now? Yeah, he's looking at Kuya
Kuya, what?
Baldwin. You
Unsa may ngalan anak ga, be?
Mimi.
Uy, ay ayo sa buhi, nag-istorya pa gani mi. Asa naman to?
He needs to eat.
Oh, he needs to eat.
Oh,
Paistorya ako sa imong iring.
I created to my chair because
Oh, is that your chair?
yeah, a camping chair.
A camping chair?
Yeah, this is my favorite spot all the time.
Ay, wow. Unsa man na imo ang gigama di anak, be?
This is my skate park.
Okay. Oh, right. Oh, are you playing by yourself?
Yes, because I have no friends in the house.
English kay ni siya sa kwaklong eh. How about your mother can play with you, no? Oh, she has a fever?
No, he's sick.
Oh, yeah. She is
Okay,
not
I
feeling
can
well.
show.
So what you gonna do first? Oh, sama na. Oh. Makikisuyan na ako sa imong iro ani gabi. Uy, asa si Kuma ba?
Oh, she's sleeping.
Can you wake her up? I want to speak to your dog.
Oh,
No?
he's very tired of going to Kogon.
Your dog has been in Kogan?
Yeah, and you have a lot of fun.
Uy, asa si Kuma ba?
Oh, she's sleeping.
Can you wake her up? I want to speak to your dog.
Oh,
No?
he's very tired of going to Kogon.
Your dog has been in Kogan?
Yeah, and you have a lot of fun with stray dogs.
Yeah. So you play that way? Oh my.
This is my skateboard.
Okay,
And,
so how are you gonna play your skateboard?
like tricks, I want to improvise you.
Oh, okay. You are inventing a new game?
Because my other account is banned and I created one with 1,000 followers.
Oh yeah, I can be your follower too. You send me a link, then I can watch your TikTok.
Just wait, Tita. Wait.
Okay, what's your name?
Coming.
Okay. Oh,
Because this is a motor.
Oh.
Wave.
Hello.
Oh, what's that? Oh, I don't know when. That's not the wrong one.
Hello,
It's
Coma.
red.
How's your day? Hi.
I think Boku is sleeping.
The other dog's name is Boko,
Yes.
and that one is Kuma.
Yes.
Okay. Where is Buko Juice?
Mom bought me a pickleball for the families.
Oh wow! Where do you play pickleball? In the city?
No, in outside. We
Outside
play
only?
always.
Don't you know that Manix tonight is playing pickleball? Oh no, he was just watching pickleball game in Dipalog.
Tita wants to speak you.
Okay, I want to speak to Boko. Hello, Boko.
Yeah, his face kind of dry.
Okay, i-close up na yung
Tita's
nawang
one.
biga, be. I-close up na yung nawang, be. Picturean mo na akong
He
duha.
still was a Bisaya
Picturean na po
one.
na ako mong duha, sige. Yeah,
Come
be.
here. Wait sa Tita.
Oh, sige.
Hello.
Sige, be.
Oh, do not
Sige,
bite.
na,
Do not
maklarog
bite.
nawang. Sige, be. Oh, sige.
Yeah, he's kind of angry.
He's gonna run away.
He needs.
Di man siya
He needs
magpa-picture
to.
ka.
Yeah, because he wants to go outside to eat.
Oh,
That's
na.
your favorite hobbies.
You wanna give
His
him some
favorite
barbecue? Tagadi mo siya barbecue ga?
No,
No.
because the barbecue didn't arrive.
Ah, the barbecue did not arrive yet. Oh my.
I think. Wait, I found food in the fridge.
For
Look, Tita.
Uy, for Boko? Ay,
How?
uy, kalami manana ga. Uy, wow. Naga. Mm.
Go.
Unsa may panihapon ni Buko karon?
I don't know.
You don't know. Nya magunsa man karon ga magdula lang ka.
Nope. I wanna show. I have a hat
You have a
that's
hat?
been in April. Yeah, a loose cap. Look,
Uy,
this one and this one.
wow. Very
My
nice.
mom bought me because I have no hat because
So your hat
the
is
white
new?
one is so dirty.
Mm, good. So you have a new hat?
Yeah. I have a Game Boy.
Tawagan lagi si Buko bang? Hello Buko.
Goku is outside. Oh, inside. I have
Luya,
a Game Boy.
luya ni mo klong. Yayay ka klong.
I have a Game Boy.
You have a Game Boy?
Yeah, but we have no charger.
Na-charge na na.
I don't know where's the charger.
Na you find a charger.
Kuya Earl just borrow it and it's gone.
Oh, it's gone. You need to find it.
I wish that I have the charger because it's gone.
Sa eskwelahan ga, mag-English po ka ga.
Sa
Sa eskwelahan, mag-English po ka dito.
dili.
Dili.
Where's your husband?
My husband is downstairs. He's watching golf.
Cup?
Golf game.
Oh no, my skateboard. When I'm tired, I will put my skateboard in here.
You don't you know
When I'm going to Tito Dondon, I will borrow a skateboard because I have no skateboard and I will practice.
who is Tit
So,
Tito
yesterday,
Donidon? Naa sila yung
Tito,
skateboard.
yeah, not sure, the classmates with mommy.
Oh, okay.
I keep him. Jump. Come here. Doon sa camera. Jump. Okay, very good. And Kuma
Wow.
was chilling. You can do sit. Oh,
Uy,
very.
wow.
You lay.
Wow. That's Buko, yeah? Buko.
Jump. Lay down.
His name is Buko,
Oh,
and the other one
very
is Kumo.
good. He laid. Oh no. He lay down, and Kuma was chilling.
Hello, Kuma. Wow, malagi na sila gaunot-unot lagi karon. Tingkatulog naman gud no.
Oh. Butrang, naglakaw man to.
Nagpaabot daw na siya sa barbecue, Klong.